my hair is coming out. Well, my yarn is coming out, but it's attached to my hair, so I mean, I could say that my hair is coming out, but that sounds like that sounds a lot worse. It's a haircut Thursday. It's a haircut Thursday. It's oh shoot, my shoulders are wrong. It's a haircut Thursday. It's a haircut Thursday. It's a haircut Thursday. Yeah, I'm gonna work on that. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Before we jump in, I want to remind you that you are enough, you are perfect, and you are beautiful just as you are. Today is Thursday, and Thursday is when we talk about hair. So as you can see, hair is a little bit different than it was, the last hair video that I did, and that's because I almost chopped it all off. I was so sick of my hair, you guys. It was too much. It was summer, so it was really hot, and I needed something different, I needed it to be off of my face and off of my body, and I needed a break. So I put it in braids. I put it in yarn braid. This is yarn, like this isn't hair. For a few reasons, but they are essentially box braids. So if you have box braids or you're thinking about getting box braids, I wanted to do a video of some hairstyles that I do all the time to style my box braids, because it can be boring just wearing your hair down every day. And that's in general. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell so that you're always notified when I upload a new video, which is every single day. Actually twice a day, because it's Vlogtober, which means I'm uploading videos twice a day, or at least attempting to upload videos twice a day. I'm still working on that. So the first hairstyle that I'm going to show you is one that I do the most often. So it's literally just like a half up, half down type situation. But because my braids are so long, because my hair in general is so long, I don't use scrunchies or anything. So, all I do is take some of the braids that frame my face, frame it like a saw, like this, and all I'm gonna do is tie it. I'm not gonna use hair ties or anything like that. So this is the first hairstyle. Like I said, it's very quick, it's very simple. I don't use hair ties for a few reasons. Number one, there's a lot of hair, and I don't have scrunchies that are big enough to hold all of it. So there's that. But also it just takes more time. I think if I just tie it, it takes like 5 minutes and I'm out the door, which is what I need in my life. The next one is probably my favorite, even though it takes a little bit longer. And so we're just gonna take like the front half, braids, front half, and we're gonna twist them and twist them and twist them, and then we're going to wrap. This does get really tight, so make sure you aren't tugging on your hair too much because we don't want to cause any breakage. and I just tuck the loose ends under the bun like this. So this is the second style. I know this one might look a little weird. Okay, I may or may not look like Minnie Mouse, but that's okay. You know, who cares if I look like I could be in a Muppets special? That's not the point, okay? The point is I am adorable. I really do I like the space bun look, and I like that there's still some hair down, and I feel like this just isn't a look that people would go for, you know, on a regular basis. I feel like a rebel, you know, I feel like a rebel. And before you guys say anything, I know that the buns aren't even, okay? I know that they don't look the same, but that's part of their charm, okay? They're just like my eyebrows. They're cousins, not, wait. Is it they're cousins and not sisters, or they're sisters but not twins? I think that's it. Well, these are distant cousins. Like, yeah, they're still in the same family. They just don't talk much. So the next hairstyle is, well, I usually do this hairstyle even if my hair is not in braids, and it's a half up, half down with a bun at the top. So instead of like a ponytail, it's a bun. But I'll show you. Just take this top part here, and we're going to twist it. And we're going to twist it into a bun. And here we go. Again, I realize that these buns are really big, but that's only because there's a lot of hair in here. Hair and yarn, it takes up space. But this is the second, no, this is the third hairstyle. Pretty much similar to the last one, but instead of 2 buns, we have 1. I like hairstyles that keep my hair out of my face. So, but I definitely like this one because it's less hair to worry about being in the bun, but it's still enough that, you know, I don't have to worry about hair getting in my face. The next hairstyle is a gigantic bun. I know there's a lot of buns in this video, but that's just because I love buns. Big buns. I like big buns. And I cannot lie. You other YouTubers can't deny. So, again, we're just gonna put the hair over like this. Ow! Here. Sometimes I miss some braids, so I'll make sure I don't miss any. And I am going to twist. I don't think you guys understand how difficult it is to get all of this hair going in the same direction at once. All right, and now we're just going to tuck it. No hair ties needed here. And loosen it a little bit. And voila, you have a beautiful, not even bun. Honestly, I do not really worry about my buns being even or them looking weird or anything like that, just because it's hair, people. It's a bun. And not only that, it's a bun made of yarn, essentially. So if someone comes up to you and starts talking about your yarn bun and how it's uneven and how it doesn't look right, I want you to just look at them and be like, ma'am, it's a yarn bun. It's not that serious. Okay? Cool. So the last hairstyle that I do pretty often is the fake French braid. And it's exactly what it sounds like. So I'm just going to take 3 little braids and I'm going to start braiding. And then I'm going to take some braids from the back. Okay, braids from the back, and add it to the strand that's closest and braid. So we have a new strand here and it's closest to the back. Take some more braids from the back and braid. This does not have to be tight or anything. I'm a very loose braider, so. And we have one again. Take some braids from the back and braid. And now we're back at the first time when we added one. We added some from the back. Here. Add some from the back and braid. Add some and braid. Add some and braid. Add some and braid. Add the last few and just braid it all the way down. And then just do the same thing on the other side. And this is what the braid looks like when it's done. So it's kind of loose here. Well, it's very loose here. But then you have the braid in the middle. It's loose. And then the braid's in the middle. I just think it's really interesting. I almost feel like a Raggedy Ann doll when I do my braids like this. But it is what it is. Okay, you guys, well, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If you have box braids or if you're thinking about getting box braids, I hope that you try these out. If you do, please don't be afraid to send me pictures because I would love to put you guys in my videos. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the bell so that you're always notified when I upload new videos. Also, you should follow me on Instagram. It's the Instagram song. Or not, that's fine. At Beauty by Lapis. I'm on Instagram and Twitter. That's how they say it. In the UK, it's Twitter. No, it's not. I don't know. Also, if you are interested in becoming one of my patrons, you can go ahead and click the link down in the description box and check out the perks you get for becoming one of my patrons. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching me. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. To my 61 subscribers, what's up? I see you, and you're awesome. Okay, I will see you tomorrow for another Fashion Friday. Yeah, Fashion Friday. Okay, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I love you so much, and I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Also, you should make sure you subscribe Check out some of these videos floating around my face so you don't miss them. They're good. Okay.